Hey ladies, so today we are just doing a simple setting up my new Kobalt toolbox. I got this from my sweetie for Valentine's Day today, and I could not wait to get it all set up and organized. I also posted a picture of this on the TheCoffeeMonsterzCo website, or not website, Facebook group that I'm a part of, and the girls over there wanted to see what I did with it, so this is for them as well. So the top drawer is basically just all of my paper supplies on this side. It is for my scoreboard, my stamp and scrub, my recollection stamp board. Then over here I have my Coffee Monsters Co. bag. This one I kind of took apart and made my own thing out of it because it wasn't working for me, but I love the fabric. Here I just have some basic miscellaneous stuff. So then we are going to slide over on this side, and this is just all little miscellaneous stuff that I use, whether it's paper clips, more paper clips, we have extra printer inks. Over here you always need some glitters and embossing powders, of course. We have tape, more tape. Over here we have one of these wax pellets. These are just some cards. These cards, I use these for when I put washi tape around them when I mail off washi tape to friends. Over here we have things like cutters, the torch paste, and then we have all of my different tapes. And then at the very far end we have inks. That's basically what the top drawer is. Simple, simple, easy peasy. The next drawer we have here on this side, we have my tools, whether it's scissors, glues, actual tools, my crocodile, scissors, all that kind of stuff. Then the next drawer, we have actually the washi. I call this the best washi tape holder in the world, but obviously I have more than just washi tape. But this is where I keep my washi tape. I have my Coffee Monsters Co. collection here. Then I have my extras. We have my miscellaneous ones, Hummin' and Chub Girl. We have seasonal back here. In the way back, we have things that I don't use much, but I just can't get rid of. And that is my washi tape. We have PET tapes here. The rest of them are up above in the little pink Kobalts up top. So that is my washi tape. Love it, love it, love it. Then on the next drawer we have, what do we have? The next drawer, I just have all the different subscriptions that I get from Hummin' and Chub Girl. I have my extra Avex Hobonichis down there for the rest of the year. I have this little book that I made. Check out the video if you haven't already seen it. I made this to hold all of my Coffee Monsters Co. Stickers and ephemera, etc., etc. Then I also have my Sterling Ink sticker subscriptions. I have a couple of those. And then in here, I have, what do I have? I have die cuts, miscellaneous die cuts. I love these boxes from Hummin' and Chub Girl. They make for really cute storage boxes. So that is in that drawer. We're moving right along. Down here we have more miscellaneous things. We have my go bag, my stationary go bag. I've got a video on that as well. And then I have notebooks because, like I say, I'm a paper girly. I am addicted to notebooks. I love notebooks. I pick them up at thrift stores. I pick them up at bookstores. I pick them up at Target, at Walmart. You name the place, I have probably picked up a notebook there because I love notebooks. And then back here, I just have some miscellaneous scrapbook paper. Most of that I get at the Urban Paper Crafter. This is my favorite little Diet Coke notebook. I love a Diet Coke. I quit drinking them about a year ago, but I do indulge every once in a while. It's my road trip treat, I call it, because I'm on the road, either on the motorcycle or in the camper, I drink Diet Coke. These are just some more tools that I have for embossing, for making all the little doodads that I make, stamps, paper, miscellaneous. This is basically just miscellaneous stuff that I had thrown in here before my quote stacks. This is basically still intact from my last organization. I do a lot of refreshes quite often because even though this looks nice and neat here, believe me, it does not stay nice and neat, because when I'm doing a project, I get a little just blind to the mess that I'm making. Anyway, that is that side. And then on this side, okay, no judging, no judging. Okay, ladies, this is my pen drawer. Here we go. These are all of my pins, because besides paper, I also love pins. I have my Tombow pins here. These are the Five Below pins. Here I have the ink cartridges for the Pilot pins, because Pilots take their own special ink cartridge. These I have, these are new to me. These I actually got at IKEA. Let's see. They're just a basic pen. They're cute. They're called Mala. At least that's how I pronounce it. And those ones are actually for my nieces when they come because I don't let them use my good pens. And then here we just have more miscellaneous pins. Mitzi, why do you need so many pins? Because every pin has a different function. These are the Uli silver lining pins. I don't know if you are familiar with these. And it's kind of hard to see, but they have a silver metallic to them, and then the inside is the actual color, so they're awesome. Then let's see, sorry about my hair getting in the way. These are my Zebras and Sarasa pens. I love these, love these, love these. I use them quite a lot in journaling. These are just basically miscellaneous pens again. Here are my favorite inexpensive fountain pens, the Pilot Kakuno. Love these. Love the medium. Finer, okay, but I love the medium. And then this, let's see. These are the Uli fountain pens, the colored fountain pens, and I love those. Love those. These are the Ohuhu. At least that's how I pronounce it. I'm not exactly sure how you pronounce it. These are the alcohol-based pens. See, every pen has its own function, ladies. That's why I have so many. They have the thick one on this side, and then they have a thin on that side. And they're great for coloring inside of stamps that you stamp, that type of thing. Okay, so those, and then of course the mild liners, we all love those. And then way back here in the corner, I have a zillion of these international ink cartridges that I use. So, okay, those are my pens. And honestly, it doesn't really matter how I put them in, just so that they fit, because I just take them in and out of this drawer when I need them. So perfect. And then I have my stapler, and this is just areas for me to stick other stuff in with my Tombows. The extra ones are up above. I think I mentioned that already. Anyhow, my next one, these are kind of my tools. So I have things like my Ivy, and then I have the extra little papers down there. This are tools for cutting tools. I love a rotary cutter. What else do I have in here? Let's see. I have brads. I have rivets. I have magnets. I think these are more brads. Yeah, brads. Sometimes I get into paper crafting. Right now I'm kind of into journaling. These are for the crocodile. They have different little, they're for what they're called, eyelets. Yeah, the little eyelets for the crocodile. Sometimes into paper crafting, sometimes into journaling. Right now I'm into journaling. This is for doing ink swatches. I got that at Urban Paper Crafter. My mouse, snacks. These are envelopes and more little mini envelopes. I love putting together Happy Mail for my friends. These are watercolor pencils, and these actually, believe it or not, these are that same Mala brand, and they are from IKEA. You get them near the kids' toys, kids area. Electronics, more cords, electronics, things for my Cricut, new blades, etc. More cords. And then, sorry, my hair's in the way again. The thing for doing the wax melts. So that, and my label maker and back. Then this is, okay, let me explain this. Here we have a couple more tools. We have the stapler, we have the glue gun, and then over here I have a system. So if it is in a blue box, it is paper, meaning like ephemera or paper scraps. These are really cute craft ephemeras. But yes, if it is in a blue box, it is paper. And if it is in a pink box, it is a miscellaneous sticker. Yes, that is the system that I have. Obviously, to go through these, they don't have to be clear because I'm going to open them up every single time. And I know color-wise that those are stickers. Stickers, paper, and then clear stuff or tools. And in that bag, I might give that bag away, but it just has extra Traveler's Notebook inserts. Okay, so now here we have stickers. This is full of stickers. This has more stickers. This is the book that I carry or store all my Hummin' and Chub Girl stickers. Love Hummin' and Chub Girl. Her stuff is cute as well. I just have all from my subscription, monthly subscriptions. I have those in here, all that kind of stuff. Then these are the Hobby Lobby stickers, the date stickers. I have my quotes because you know me, I love a quote. I love those little sticker stamps or stamp stickers. And then all of these are Happy Planner stickers. So I'm trying to use those up this year because I have so many, and I have a whole nother box as well somewhere else. I love these for planners. These planner stickers are awesome. But again, I have a lot of them. I need to use them. This Cottagecore, I love these books as well, and these are really cute. Obviously, I love stickers. And then the year stickers. So those are stickers. These are stickers. Stickers everywhere. Like I've said in previous videos, this is the year that I want to use up my stickers. Here we have, oh goodness gracious, what do we have? We have more themed stickers from Hobby Lobby, and then those are for filling up, and these are random pages out of Happy Planners that I had used up. Then this one, you can get these. Oh, where did I get these? I would say I got these maybe at Daiso. This is just random stickers, random paper. Just if I don't have a place for it, I just stick it in here. And then when I get time to go through it, then I reorganize it and give it a home. I love stuff. We all love stuff, but I like it to have a home. So on this side, then we have my mini notebooks. Let's see. So these are my favorite inexpensive notebooks from Walmart, 3 for $1.97. They work great with fountain pens. They are wonderful. These are the, this is a really great little museum notebook where you could put in information about museums. I love going to museums with my husband. And then the new notebooks that I just got, these are all my traveler's journals notebooks. I do little traveler's kind of junk journals for each trip that I do in the summertime. These are just randoms. This, my favorite Midori notebook. And then these are notebooks that I got about a year ago just because I liked that they were the Pantone and they were cute. I got those at Blick, I believe. And then we have more stickers in the back. So you may be wondering, Mitzi, some of that came out of your desk. What is in your desk now? Well, can you believe? More paper. And my desk is right there. So in the top of my desk, I have all of my planners the planners that I use, the planners that I love. I have them all right here. I have my double stick tape. I have, this I made as well out of the TheCoffeeMonsterzCo little bag. I gave a couple of these away or a couple bags that I made away to some gals on the Facebook group as well. This is my Coffee Monsters pin that I just love and adore. My brand new traveler's journal. And then I have, let's get over here. I have my Coffee Monsters Co. Stickers and ephemera and storage pouches. I have more stickers that fell out. I just love these little envelopes and whatnot to hold all my stuff in. I have more notebooks. I have more Coffee Monsters, my Esterbrook pen case, just things that I use, that I grab every day that I don't want laying out. Everything has a home. That's what I say. And then down here, I have things. Let's see if I can get you in here with a little less glare. I have my cutting pads. I have my extra computer. My main computer is sitting on top of my desk. I have stamps. And then I have things like my favorite inks. I have my reading glasses. And then this is different cords that I need for things for making videos. And those are empty so that I can fill them up, because obviously I have more stuff that can go in here. I just haven't quite gotten to it. And if it can go in here, then I got to keep it. If it doesn't, it's got to go. I'm at that point now. So my desk is here. And there's my new Kobalt tool chest. I know I talk pretty quick during this, but I've spent all day setting this up and it's late. I'm tired, but I wanted to get this out so that you girls could really enjoy seeing what I did with it. My sweetie hit it out of the ballpark this year for Valentine's Day. I am such a lucky gal. And because I'm such a lucky gal, I'm going to let you in on a little bit behind the scenes. This is me wearing a dress that might be familiar to some of you if you've watched my videos, because it is the dress that is the inspiration for my little mini me at the end of my videos. I hope you come back and join me on Friday when I drop my video all about celebrating our girlfriends, our besties. Until next time, from one paper girly to another, bye.